Sometimes you have a document and you just don't have time to sit in front of a computer to read it. This is when the download as MP3 button is really useful. So go to the document you'd like to listen to, click download as MP3, agree to the terms and conditions, and it downloads in a few seconds. So it's now reading using the voice speed and style that I have selected in TextAid. If I want it to read a bit quicker, I can click on the dots and choose speed and speed it up.
Reports and published literature on EQ5D performance. The appropriateness of the EQ5D.
Well, that's very fast, isn't it? The most handy way of using this is by using your TextAid account on your mobile phone. That way you download it onto your phone and then you can use Bluetooth to listen to the document in your car while you're driving, or maybe use earphones while you're walking and you're not near a computer. So to do that, you do a very similar thing. So here's my mobile phone. I'm going to go to my TextAid account. It's the same document that I have on my computer. Look, it's the same. And if I want to download this as an MP3 audio file, I click on the MP3 button. Agree. And download. So it takes just a moment to click open. And now it will play on my phone.
EQ5D and non-reference case measures of quality.
Just the same as on my computer, I can click on the dots and speed it up if it's a little bit slow for me, or slow it down.
Of life. Background. Music.
So now it's reading to me from my phone. So that's how to download a file as an MP3 so that you can listen to it on the go.